Fond du Lac has been a community that we've been serving for decades, and so we couldn't be more proud to place our first community solar project here, given the excitement that we've seen over the last 12 months.
This project is a key component of our clean energy vision. It helps us advance towards our aspirational goal of achieving net zero by 2050. But it's not only the 1,100 megawatts of solar that we are building at a utility scale, but these smaller community solar gardens that we're building. This is the first of many that are going to be coming into the state, and we expect to be working really close with other communities as the interest grows in having renewable energy in their backyard.
So customers have the option to purchase solar blocks up to their full energy use. And so a customer would make a down payment for as many blocks as they'd like to purchase, and then they'll start receiving those bill credits every month through the life of the project. Fond du Lac was absolutely a great choice for our first community solar installation in Wisconsin.